Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the language settings in Salesforce. First things first, as you can see, we are at our trial account, so I don't leak any of the company's data. But you can also get very easily this 14 days free trial on Salesforce.com. So if you want to change anything inside of Salesforce, and especially general settings, we need to go into the settings in the top right corner of your screen. Then we have to go to Basics Sales Setup for current app. We can also find the languages in here. Now, once we are here, we have to focus on the left side and go into general settings. Now we have language settings. As you can see, we are at this column, and we can basically top or pick up new languages. For right now, available languages, there are none, and displayed languages are all of these. So, for example, no Slovak language or Czech language at the moment. We have language preferences, enable end user languages, help and setup are not translated in end-to-end user. Enable platform only languages. No default translations are provided for platform only languages. But here we also have Slovak one. If we want to add it into our portfolio of languages, we can just press this right button that will basically switch the language into the right column, and we save the options. We go to language settings, and Slovak is right in there. I'm not going to change it for now. I'm very happy with English, and if you are basically in a bigger company, I believe the Slovak or a German will be the majority, but they are already in displayed languages portfolio. And that's about it, guys. If you have any kind of questions for us about Salesforce and how to change certain stuff, please leave a like or leave a comment underneath this video, and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Until then, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.